Alright, branding yourself. What I mean by branding yourself, basically, you can be branding yourself instead of MCA. See, like right here, here's my website, and here's my name. You don't see nothing up here about MCA. Okay, look, there it go again. I make sure I leave my marks everywhere. There I go again. I want to get to a picture. See, look. Me, this is me with my quote. I'm going to go back on it later and do a watermark with my name on it. So basically, so far what you're seeing on there is branding yourself. But not only that, here's a website. It's a personal branded website which I can make for you, which will run you around $25 flat fee. That's it. No monthly payments. You brand yourself. My approved video, nobody else's video. But if you're just starting out, you could use my approved video, or you could use somebody else's approved video. See, I'm branding myself. Name. There I go again. So basically, I'm like everywhere. Like, I'm branding myself. So up here, my name. And also, I even got a viral video out there. I did a viral video, and it's me in it, nobody else. And I was basically telling people like what made me started doing MCA. See, there go me right there again. For me. And that's me with my viral video. Some of y'all might have seen already. Turn the volume down.
Hey guys.
My son ain't here asleep. So basically, like, this is my video. I'm gonna just fast forward. So I'm branding myself, talking about MCA. Let's see. And you know everybody gonna wanna see love cash. You know, got my feet out, I'm at home, I don't care, I'm comfortable. But yeah, that's basically what I want you to do, is brand yourself. That's it. Brand yourself. It's okay to talk about MCA, but MCA this, MCA that. People want to join people, not MCA. They're going to want to join you, then they're going to want to join MCA. So brand yourself. That way you get more sales. Be consistent with it. Don't try to post once a day. No. They're going to want to see you every day, probably 2 times or 3 times out the day. Brand yourself.